Welcome to eDUFUNDAE. I am mentor for this topic, chemical equilibrium and acid basis. When I am talking about chemical equilibrium, so today we are discussing effect of catalysts. A catalyst increases the rate of chemical reaction by making available a new low energy pathway for the conversion of reactant to product. Catalysts increase the rate of forward and reverse reaction that pass through the transition state and does not affect the equilibrium. For example, let us see, thus we have seen the graph between concentration and time. So we have said that product will be decreasing, reactant is decreasing and the product will increase. If we add some catalyst here, it's either positive or negative. For example, I am adding positive catalyst here. So what will happen if I am adding positive catalyst here? The equilibrium will establish, but the alternative path will be there. See. तो इससे क्या होगा? यदि अल्टरनेट पाथ आ जाएगा तो इससे अल्टरनेट पाथ आने से सिर्फ इतना हो जाएगा कि इक्विलिब्रियम जल्दी से जल्दी हो जाएगा, बट इक्विलिब्रियम तो आएगा ही आएगा, उसी पॉइंट पे इक्विलिब्रियम आएगा. अगर नेगेटिव लूंगा तो थोड़े टाइम बाद इक्विलिब्रियम आएगा, इसको इनहिबिटर भी बोलते हैं कई जगह पर. तो ये डिपेंड होगा सब कि आपने कैटलिस्ट कौन सा लिया है. कैटलिस्ट आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, स्लो कैटलिस्ट एंड फास्ट कैटलिस्ट. Catalyst lowers the activation energy for the forward and backward reaction to the same extent. Catalyst does not affect the composition of the equilibrium mixture. Catalyst does appear in the balanced chemical equation or in the equilibrium constant expression. Equilibrium constant value decreases with rise in temperature. At low, temperature rate is low and takes long time to reach equilibrium. At high temperature rate is high, but yield is poor. To overcome this problem, German chemist Fritz Haber discovered that a catalyst consisting of iron catalyzes the reaction to occur at satisfactory rate of temperature, where the equilibrium concentration of ammonia NH3 is reasonably high. Optimal conditions favorable for the manufacture of ammonia by Haber's process are Fe catalyst लिया हमने 450 to 500 degree Celsius और high pressure 200 atm पे. Purity of reactant किसमें convert हो गया? In the manufacturing of sulfuric acid by constant process, the catalyst used is Pd platinum or V2O5. 2SO2 plus O2, that is in form of equilibrium, is 2SO3. There Ac equals to 1.7 to 10⁻26. This value indicates that reaction is nearly goes to completion, but practically the oxidation of SO2 is very slow reaction. As I have already told you in the previous lectures that the higher the value of Kc, the reaction will go to the product. But practically the oxidation of SO2